In this video, we are going to see the multiple choice questions and their answers of photoacoustic spectroscopy. Let us see the first one. Non-radiative relaxation of excited molecule results in increase of dash energy. Now, when radiation is absorbed by molecules, if they are coming back to the ground state in a non-radiative fashion, then energy is released in one form. Which is that form? Chemical, thermal, kinetic, or sound. Well, the correct answer is thermal. Whatever non-radiative relaxation takes place will result in increase of thermal energy or heat in the solution. The second question, in PAS, or that is photoacoustic spectroscopy, dash is measured: sound, temperature, absorption of radiation, or emission of radiation. The answer is sound because it is acoustic method, so it is sound is the answer for that. PAS or photoacoustic spectroscopy can be used to obtain dash absorption spectra of samples: UV absorption spectra, visible absorption spectra, IR absorption spectra, or all of these. Well, this can be used to get the spectra of all of these absorption spectra. You can analyze UV absorption spectra, visible, IR. All these three absorption spectra can be studied with the help of photoacoustic spectroscopy. So all of these is the answer. Normal UV visible spectroscopy cannot give spectra of turbid solution due to normal UV spectra can give spectra only of transparent solution but not of turbid solution, and the reason is uh, the choices are absorption, emission, light scattering, or fluorescence. It is light scattering. Because of light scattering you will not get the spectra of turbid solutions. In turbid solutions light scattering takes place and you won't get the spectra of turbid solutions. The true extent of absorption of radiation is not radicals, it's radiation. The true extent of absorption of radiation by a sample can be measured by UV visible spectra, IR spectra, photoacoustic spectra, and NMR. Well, the true extent of absorption of radiation is measured by PAS, that is photoacoustic spectroscopy. In photoacoustic spectroscopy, whatever radiation is absorbed, when the molecule returns to the ground state, it emits radiation in the form of heat. So, whatever scattering is there, that thing is not measured. Only the absorbed radiation, when the radiation when the molecule returns to the ground state, it emits in the form of heat, and that heat is converted into sound. So that is why PAS is the one which is used to find out the true extent of absorption. Choppers are not required in PAS dash sources. Now, if you use krypton sources, pulsating laser sources, xenon arc sources, hydrogen deuterium lamps, if these are the four choices. In one of them, you don't require choppers. Normally, in PAS, the choppers are required, but if you use a pulsating laser beam as the source, then your choppers are not required. So the answer is the second one. PAS cell cannot be made from polished aluminum, stainless steel, glass, or metal. Now, PAS cell or the photoacoustic cells which are there, they should not allow heat to enter or leave the radiation to enter or leave the system. So, if you are using a glass cell, then the radiation can come in, so that can increase the temperature of the gas inside. So, glass is not used as a cell material in the case of PAS. The material used for cell windows in PAS is glass, plastic, coil, or aluminum, quartz or aluminum foil. Now, cell window will be at the top of the cell, and that is usually quartz material which is used for the cell window. Rest of the part of the cell is made from not made from glass or quartz; it is made from a metallic substance. So there the correct answer is quartz. Hemoglobin content in blood can be determined best by UV visible, IR, MS or PAS. The answer is PAS because even light scattered substances which scatter light, they can also be analyzed with the help of PAS. So hemoglobin content which is present in RBCs and RBCs which is present in blood, the hemoglobin content can be determined by PAS. The only accurate method to obtain spectrum of opaque solids is PAS, UV visible, IR, NMR. The answer is PAS. Well, with this we conclude all the 10 questions. Thank you.